akwasi insia Commander 6 Kano Sedia
na bia me catch us e be kan se de simitie ya yemfa bi nka na ejibi emfa efrimina no pe bone taw na ya to aso me de akwasi insia Asem Yi Di Ka bre e na adrusuin adan komo a ye ba bedi a bit emotional, but I'll say ye dear. Now, before that, let me wish our second lady of the land, the Vice President of the Republic, Her Excellency Professor Nana Jane Opoku Ajiman. I continue to wish you well. Yesri Yankopon ahoden ne nsema yaresa sento so ba bia wo bia o ma no mpemu nya den na wo sanya ahoden bia nyina na so emesomo mai Ghana. So this where it starts a conversation for now pay on Asem Yi Di Ka. If we to just say Minister for Government Communications, Felix Kwacho Fosu, MP, Ede Krata Babonte say, ye Vice President, Sebin Hodo Dono, ye Nako, University of Ghana Medical Center, Ekosania, the NSO, Dr. Fortifo, CM Fanentina, we am ko approach, them ko try years and so no. In semi brina, Gu, a woman. People do recall of Insembian Penifobi, ye no more abemu. When it comes to seeking for medical health outside the jurisdiction of this country. But I think enough is enough. We can't continue like this as a nation. I want to believe, say, this one is going to be our last time we will learn from certain issues of this nature. Yenimiyama mpeni fwa edi won yare sebi asere wa mu wa maimu. Yetena TV so ne ye bobo yare a efi se pani bi ope man pani bi edi ewo. And we were all laughing. Ni esre ni ebonsre he. Ni efi se bi we ade a ya enye ho nipa eti akwa the other side dey a o say ye. Badada kwesi amfo je nyame fa ne Christ wo kan sembi. Unye nru ya esra kwatia. Esram Ghana mabuno. Ya ye bia yesi ye nyai. Enya ye bia to aso. Ya ye bia ye nyai. Enya ye bia to aso. Ye so sa sese ye di mpanifo yade o yare. Esre omu okurum hanom. I remember the late Professor John Evans Atames and somewhere can't find him. I remember Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo and somewhere can't find him. If I never be Mukran Susu, Kran, and Akufo-Addo Kwaika, Obedi man Penukra, the next 2 years, Kran Kobewu. But then the man is 81 years to the glory of God. I remember one year, former Vice President, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, oh yes, he and Fanny Kwame on a quarter years or so, and someone nipa be kind krum hanum. And now we see a Kenaman phobia super. And after political party, where she entering a campus here becan. This is where we are today. For how long? The Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, by God's grace, is more than 70 years. Eye age we are striving. See a bit me draw. But yena yen fear me when you say me this sample full way fell. Yena yen fear me honum no. Yena sample full ye do a fell. For how long? to say be nim baby a bit me a break. And I'm being my penny beer and 2 coin in from Memu and Kwajia Yarisa outside the country. Yes, the University of Ghana Medical Center is supposed to cater for all this. Meanwhile, you need to pay pass. The hospital is not up to that standard now. But because of Amanyo Semunti, today here we are. We should learn. We should learn. And you be beyond a bit me across the year NPP, NDC, MPP. There be. We know. Yeah, you must say the University of Ghana Medical Center, the purpose in TSC, and no sabotage. But none of the penny be free one within the common on it, near Superman for. And then we are back there. Let's stop it. My man, you're suddenly near Trimbe ahead of your nation building. No. I'm not on some no. Umani near Trimu Dembe ahead of young man in Chich, young man in Kanko, young man in Puntu. The development of this nation should be paramount to our partisan politics. It's a shame to us. It's a shame. And now this brings us back to this discussion about equipping our health centers. And ka efe de say a doctor for wo memu enene yempene for yade a wo hwe omo from head to toe no mo ato mo abranka yentwa ticket mpo. And ka efe, how much will it take for us to do that? Simple to swam pa akra say bia. Say doctor ni obehwe nkwa na Ghana say be enya akra tete bia. And Kali's a bit to be invited doctor for say ba akumi no bi. And no cost remember from 10 say yes swam penfo no mo 8 ni na free o mamu e de akwa amonone to seek for health. These are the things also draw the attention of young pennyfo and your foot soldiers. So for now, you can say President John Dramani Mahama and a young man penny or memu. So this is what should be pushing his attention. How do we get to that pensiona? A bit to be able to say penny be yadia, young swan to him shemu and common on it. And I'm not we about pennyway yard and no qua, pennyway and no qua. O Canama for a catcher, Ghana is a third world country. We end in Patmunia, Salmon from Cafanadamo. Bra, you born a moment, third world country, bra. You bought Brache first countries, no. A brand born a member. So as the Minister of Health, Honorable Kabra Minta Kando. These are some of the things also draw attention. How do we equip our health centers to be able to cater for our health needs? How do we get there? So let's not say it because say if we say obi na power, so we are saying to spite the person. Na Ghana phone say SMS wo power there one new man ho. But you know the reality is say your facilities there one of no entimi cater for sa na man and pay focus seek for. I will say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Professor Nana Jopoko Ajiman, na yo mo dese omo ho form na yesa do mo to wiem shemu 2.6 hours. Uti say na yo mo de. Enye na ho grofo so. Nipa ne ho dodo no obi aka ho dodo se ka wo ye ba bia beda ma ho adwo ye pa okwa fa wiem na turbulence kro wo wiem kra ya de ketwa. Let's change from certain ways. Yes, sir. I always don't want to hear this issue about say American democracy is 200 years. Ghana, we are just about 60 years. We are now learning. No, in fact, we should go ahead of American democracy because only 200 years ahead of us. So we should be able to do things far more better than the America for year. Because you have experience to learn from. We can't politicize everything in this country. We can't. Idiamanyo sembe diwo bia tem. Mpenfosu wo maimu. They will not call their boys to order. Ebi ya mekasi Nyankopon na be hu yemobo. Nyame na be kra yen. Ne yakoso de yen hye sa partisan non-developed mind-oriented politicians inside there. Amane say ya na e man be hu. Let's do things right. Let's tell ourselves that from today, we are correcting some of the errors in our society. One of them is politicizing everything. And the moment that the thing gets politicized, now the solution is IRA. Inyakobon MPP NDC pe na Asem Nashe. But the real challenges on ground are Dr. Fone go through. I can't hear your money be juma. I can't hear no honum. That is what as a nation we should strive. But the kokoye na no is MPP and NDC. Ni a jai one semka. Komampani adwene say the usual politicking. Ti a jai one semka. Na how na di o mind them no. Sa how no that so team baby a team. Let's grow. Ghana. Let's grow. Let's grow beyond our partisan politics. Let's say your mind. A ball mind. Your advocacy then was good. I believe it's good today too. The advocacy now only did some months, years back, calling for we should have a policy to ban young people from traveling outside the nation to seek for medical care. No. It was good then, I believe that today, so it's good. So now you're a cabinet minister. I want to see you support your health minister in making that policy a reality. In making it, let's also make sure, say, I can't even be here to make sure, say, sa policy sa cardiano is available. That should be our next step. So you're good. Because yan penny fue kwa se kebi om ko bia akasa ama animu se kebi om spend bia akasa ama animu e don't spend the same amount of money where memu a ebeboa yen. So no go to Ablakwa, I want to see you doing more advocacy and supporting your health minister at cabinet meetings when such issue comes up. Supporting no. Near making sure say nya can bet me initiate that policy you were preaching on some years back. A good policy. Obi Bekato saying good policy be anobwa. A fantastic. We should have a system that will be able to treat young penfua what want to do. And as in any abrani a calodua, Nasi Jeffem Chabin right honorable about King for the Babin. Secure the man who on it. Called Dubai so Uncle Franco Salon ya maybe see nya says can we nyina wo mamu and can be a boy. So honorable somebody to Black I say again say that initiative now the buy no say Ghana needs a policy to ban officials from traveling outside to seek for healthcare no yeah. Let's continue. We will support you. But like I say, it will be any cabinet meeting, but you are part of cabinet. It is honorable cabinet cannot be say eba supporting no. You're pushing it through. That's why President Mahama Ekan said University of Ghana Medical Center was built to deal with issues of this nature. No, you say, how are we going to equip it to that standard? That should be our focus. So today, some cabinet meeting, you ask our president, So, Mr. President, some time ago you said, say, University of Ghana Medical Center was built, say, Emma Penny be Enfawim from Memu Kwamon and Nico Papum. Or say University of Ghana Medical Center, but we deal with that. The issue is what is the state? Dear na aka ye making the account to make sure say that dream will become a reality. Let's put that issues on board. Discuss it. Without any personal sentiment or personal glorification. But for the betterment of Ghana for one country and Puntu. Me did your questions here. Maybe because young couple to cause me and him before. I'll could do for a pen first of your person in Kuminya. A pen for do a main count could be sued this so no but drink Ghana. Na Ghana be Asem Yi Di Ka. Any person mu etwaso. Macram.